Hey, how's it going? It's Chris with Yakima Valley Hops. We're working on our brew floor. So far, we've already done some prep work. We did hardy backer, zipped on 6-inch centers, and then sealed with Sikaflex. And then we went back through and we ground with a masonry disc to get a light sanding to get something for the epoxy to grab onto. And now we're gonna lay down our primer coat and see how it goes. Good to make sure you get an even mix. Kind of want to spread it so we can start rolling it. So now we're going to put our aluminum oxide down. You want to put it down on your top of your Part A primer, and then you will fill in with your finishing top coat up to your granules. And this is just for your non-slick surface. So we'll use roughly about half the can on this floor and half the can on the next floor. Hey, how's it going? It's Chris with Yakima Valley Hops. We're ready to put the top coat on our Brew Floors 3 system. We let this sit for a day to completely dry it and did a thumb test to be able to make sure that it is dry enough and ready for the top coat. So we'll get to it. And when you pour this stuff, you really want to be sure, try not to splash it on the side of the bucket. That's what I've read a lot with doing a garage door epoxies, is because your ratio changes.